Frohe Ostern! Yes, it's Easter week going on, and today is Easter Sunday. People in Germany celebrate this festival with a great joy. In Germany, they call this week as the Karwoche in German language. People go to the churches, and the Easter bunny, that is their Osterhase, hides the Easter eggs, that is das Osterei, lots of gifts and chocolates in the gardens and houses. So children have lot of fun in finding these gifts and chocolates and Easter eggs. So that was all about the Easter festival. I wish you all a very happy Easter, and I welcome you back to my channel, that is Sprich mal Deutsch. So in the last lesson, we learned the numbers from 0 to 20. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn the numbers from 21 and so on. So let's begin. So now let us start learning the numbers in tens. You have already learned 10 and 20. The next is 30. Here you have a long vowel, that is E, after which you have to use SZ. Then comes 40, 50, 60. Here you have to skip writing the alphabet S, which comes in the word sechs. So it becomes 60, 70. Similarly, here you have to skip writing the alphabets AN, which appears in the word sieben. So it is 70, 80, 90, 100. So now let's move on to learn how to write the in-between numbers from 21. Do you remember when our parents made us sit and learn the numbers like this?
1 and 20, 21. Mudane. 1 and 20, 21.
Yes, exactly the same way. 1 and 20, 21. Remember that? The same rule is applied while writing the in-between numbers from 21 to 100. So 21 is ein und 20. Do not forget to take away the S while writing any in-between number using ein. While you write these numbers, do not leave any space between the words. Similarly, you have 22, 23. Yes, you're right. It is 24. Next is 25. 26. 27. Yes, you're correct. 28. 29. And 30. Now let us check out some random numbers. Even though I cannot hear you, please try to guess the answer. So the first one is here, 36. 36. 39. Sehr gut. It is 39. 41. 41. 55. 55. 68. 68. 74. Sehr gut. 74. 89. Super. 89. And the last one is 97. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Sieben und neunzig. Danke for watching my video. If you like my video, you know the drill. Hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my video with everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay home and learn German with me.